Students and graduates, today is a very exciting day and I'm happy to be here with all of you. As we celebrate the end of our elementary school journey in 3 Angels Institute of Cavite and the start of something new. First, I want to thank everyone who has been a part of our education and growth, our amazing teachers who patiently guided us and untiringly molded us to become a better person. Our supportive parents and guardians who strive hard to provide us with what we need. Also, you are always our #1 bashers and cheerleaders. And to our school staff who made sure that we had a safe and fun learning environment. To my classmates, thank you for the laughter, the friendships, and the memories that is worth keeping for. In our school, we quickly learned that it is not just a place to learn. It is also a place to grow, to discover our talents, and to become the best versions of ourselves. As we continue to the next chapter, let us not forget the values we have learned. Kindness, respect, and the importance of not giving up. Let's continue to be curious and embrace new challenges. Let's always do our best to make a positive self-improvement. The future is full of possibilities, and have no doubt that each and every one of us will achieve great things. As we say goodbye to our elementary school, let us not forget the friendships we have made and the lessons we have learned. Let's move forward with confidence, optimism, and the spirit of adventure. Thank you for everyone who supported us, especially our teachers who guided us and directly. Let's move forward. I will definitely cherish all these wonderful memories we shared these past years. And congratulations to us. May our future be filled with joy, success, and the spirit of God bless us all. On my final note, I call on my classmates. Together, let us express our gratitude.